The sitting is open. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great honor and joy that the Court meets today for the first time in the newly renovated Great Hall of Justice. On this important occasion, I wish to emphasize that the renovation of the Great Hall coincides with the centennial anniversary of the Peace Palace, which opened its doors in August of 1913. This momentous occasion will be celebrated later this year in many ways. The Great Hall of Justice was first used by the Permanent Court of Arbitration for arbitral proceedings administered by that institution. In 1922, it became the home for judicial proceedings conducted before the Permanent Court of International Justice, and since 1946, the International Court of Justice has made it its permanent courtroom. Over the decades, countless eminent agents and counsel have appeared before these institutions. Groundbreaking legal arguments have been put forward by parties. Peaceful solutions and settlement of international disputes have been articulated while upholding the rules and principles of international law, and greater adherence to the international rule of law has been continuously promoted. This room has been the breeding ground for some of the most seminal and important decisions in the field of international law during the last 90 years. The prospect of bringing a dispute to the World Court for adjudication, which should not be construed as an inimical or hostile act, as the Manila Declaration on Peaceful Settlement of International Disputes tells us, actually serves to further the objectives of international peace, security and justice. Proceedings before the court may contribute to diffusing tensions between disputing states and ultimately help strengthen the rule of law on international plane. Needless to say, this room has seen its share of historical disputes over the last century and has remained a locus for the formulation of timely, well-reasoned and just legal solutions. The Great Hall of Justice, quite a suitable name indeed.